Breaking. The Pi Network core team will hold a global ecosystem building hackathon meeting at the end of August, News. In an effort to strengthen the ecosystem and support sustainable technology development, the core team from Pi Network announced plans to hold an online meeting with all development teams participating in the hackathon environment around the world. This event is planned to take place at the end of August and will provide a platform for participants to meet and discuss with the Pi Network core team. The hackathon is no longer just a normal tech event, it has become a catalyst for innovation and growth in the tech ecosystem. Pi Network, as a community dedicated to developing an inclusive and sustainable crypto network, understands the important role hackathons play in building a strong ecosystem. Hackathons are a platform for creative and innovative minds to come up with in-depth new solutions within tight time constraints. It is an intensive form of collaboration in which individuals or teams come together to develop a technology project from start to finish. The Pi Network Hackathon is not just about creating technology products, but also about building a solid foundation for the wider crypto ecosystem. The Pi Network Hackathon isn't just a one-day or two-day event that just ends. This is the first step in building a sustainable ecosystem. The solutions and projects that emerged during the hackathon have the potential to become an integral part of the Pi Network network. By encouraging the development of new apps, tools, and solutions, hackathons contribute to the growth and diversification of the ecosystem. When hackathon participants tackle challenges and create solutions, they indirectly help realize the Pi Network's overall vision. Projects born out of hackathons can become components that strengthen the network, increase functionality, and provide further benefits to users and contributors. Hackathons aren't just about individual projects, they're about accelerating innovation across ecosystems. As innovative ideas and collaboration between teams continue to evolve, the Pi Network ecosystem is also becoming more dynamic and responsive to the needs of the global community. In a move demonstrating its determination to embrace global collaboration and build a vibrant ecosystem, Pi Network has announced plans to host its much-anticipated online meeting. Taking place at the end of August, the gathering aims to bring creative minds from around the world together in an interactive and inspiring platform. The global meeting convened by the Pi Network core team will create a space for direct dialogue between the core team and the hackathon participants. This is an opportunity for participants to ask questions, share views, and hear thoughts from those at the forefront of network development. This meeting was also designed to provide a deeper understanding of the Pi Network's ecological construction. In a relaxed and inclusive atmosphere, participants will gain insight into long-term plans, visions, and practical steps being taken to build a strong foundation. This global gathering encourages the active involvement of the participants. By providing the opportunity to ask questions and express views, hackathon participants will feel valued as an important part of the Pi Network ecosystem. It is a platform for those who want to contribute to the journey towards a better crypto future. More than just a meeting, this event is an opportunity for participants to build strong networks and collaborations. In an increasingly connected crypto era, sharing ideas and experiences with like-minded colleagues can spark new inspiration and synergy. This global gathering reflects the collaborative spirit that underlies the Pi Network. By bringing together creative minds from around the world, Pi Network actively engages everyone to shape the future of this network. This is a concrete step towards a more inclusive and supportive crypto ecosystem. One of the main advantages of this global meeting is the opportunity to get clarifications directly from the Pi Network core team. Hackathon participants have a unique opportunity to ask questions directly to those involved in developing and managing the network. This is a golden opportunity to overcome doubts